Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I'm so glad each and every one of you are here. This is Lannie and I am coming back with another video, and it's something different this time, you guys. Something happened to me the other day. I won a giveaway. I was so excited about this giveaway because the person behind this business is a friend of mine who I graduated high school with, and she has a company called BeYoutiful Essentials. And I have the box here, and it's really big, so a second. Ugh. This is the box, you guys. It is so huge, and I have not opened it yet. I want to open it up in front of you guys here, and so here we go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at that. It says Pamper Me on it. Okay, y'all. This is how it looks on the inside. Look how gorgeous. It has little ornaments in it for Christmas. I'm going to show you guys everything that's in this goodie basket, and starting with this, I hope you guys can see. I've never used this before, but it's a soap, and it does smell. I can smell it without even opening it, and it smells like peppermint. And this product is also made with organic oils. It says it here. So I'm excited to try this product. The next product is this white tea and ginger scented soy candle. Beautiful. This smells so nice. So here we have the Eco Tools Dry Brush exfoliate and detoxify skin, and it's designed for dry skin. Like my body is weird. Like I have super oily. My face is oily, but the rest of my body is like really dry. So this is designed for dry skin. So this will be awesome for me. And then it also has this little mitt here that you could use as well. Let's see. Yeah. It's a cleansing mitt to gently cleanse and refresh skin. And this is for all skin types, this mitt here. Next thing here is in this cute little baggie. These products that I'm showing you guys from here on out are things that she actually made. Okay? So I'm going to open this little baggie here. And this is a lip scrub and a lip balm, okay? And both of them are lemon. So lemon drop lip scrub. And here's this. This is so right on time for me because my lips are super dry in the winter. So a lip scrub, very essential. Lip balm, very essential. And here is the lip balm here. So, and this also smells like lemon. It smells so lemony, and I love lemon. Love it, love, love it. And this also comes with this little scrubber, this little thing here, so you can scoop out your scrub and your lip balm. So this is awesome. The next product here is this Whip Body Butter. Oh, and here it is. Okay. So I'm going to open it here. Oh, and it's Mango Bliss. This is a Mango Bliss. It has the label here, Mango Bliss, whipped body butter. Again, like, oh my god. This is how it looks. And you can see how thick it is. It's not running out. And I'm actually I cannot resist. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, it's so thick. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Like I'm not even playing. Like the smell alone is ridiculous. The texture is beautiful. Silky, thick. Yeah. The next product is another whipped body butter. And I'm going to open it up. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Opening up all these gifts. And here is how it looks on the inside, similar to the other one. And look how thick it is. And it is very, very creamy and smooth. Very creamy and smooth. And it smells very good. I'm trying to, what does this smell like to me? It just smells fresh. Like that's the word I can describe the smell of this. And it smells really, really good. Really nice. I love this. And I love how thick and creamy the consistencies are with these products. Next product here is this scrub. So, and this is how it looks on the inside. Once again, all of her products are handmade. And you guys, I just noticed when I was opening these that it has the date that these products were made. And on mine, it has November 2nd. So you will know how fresh these products are because the date is on it when she made these. So you're not getting old products that were just sitting around waiting to be sold. So that's awesome. This is the next product, and I'm going to open it up. Oh my goodness. Wow. I cannot stop sniffing this, you guys. The smell is so beautiful, so fragrant. And I believe this is the like the stuff you put in like your bath when you're taking a bath. So nice. I'm using this tonight. I'm using all this stuff tonight. The basket also contains these little various sizes of spoons and scoops for all of these products, so you won't have to like dig your hand in it or anything. So this is super convenient as well. And that is all, you guys. She has her card here. And don't worry, I will link all of her information in the description bar. But you can follow her on Instagram at BeYoutiful Essentials. And you can also follow her on Facebook at Be Bath and Body. And then you can also shop at her Etsy shop and get any of these beautiful products that you saw me show you guys today. This card also has directions. So if you aren't familiar with body scrubs or body butters, this tells you exactly how to use them for the best results. And then it also tells you that her products last for up to 6 months from the date seen on the bottom. Remember, I showed you guys that on the bottom of her products, it has the date that she made them. So they last for 6 months. So that is great. And then it also has the ingredients that she used in her product. So the body scrub, it has granulated sugar, virgin coconut oil, aloe vera butter, essential oils, eucalyptus, green tea, and lemon. And then the whipped body butter, it has unrefined shea butter, virgin coconut oil, virgin olive oil, aloe vera butter, mango butter, vitamin E oil, essential oils. Natural products, you guys. No artificial products to like sustain color and texture or anything like that. All natural products, and I absolutely love that. So here is that information that is on the back of this card. And she also has her business card here, Beautiful Essentials Bath and Body. Her name is Biana Griffin, and it has her email and where you can shop for her products. And once again, I will list her information in my description bar below. So visit her Etsy shop, follow her on Instagram, and follow her on Facebook. Get some of these amazing products, and I know that you won't be disappointed. So once again, Biana, I am super proud of you, and I hope your business soars to amazing heights. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next video. Until then, God bless. Oh, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I wanted to do a quick demo for you guys. I had just got done using the body scrub, which was amazing, and I wanted to use this mango body butter, and you can see how thick and creamy the consistency is with this product, which was really good. It melted into my skin, like it wasn't hard to work in at all, and it left my skin feeling really soft, really supple and silky and smooth. Really loved it. My lips were feeling a little bit cracked and dry, so I decided to use that scrub. So I just kind of worked that into my lips in a circular motion, and then I took a warm wet towel and wiped the excess off of my lips, and then I used that lip balm and put that on my lips as well, and you can see the difference. My lips feel really nice after using these products. So you guys go get some of these products. You will not be disappointed. See y'all on the next one.